In the last video, we created a video file of us making a lecture. And in this video, what we're going to do is upload that into Google Drive so that we can now share it with students using ManageBac. And now it's a simple case of uploading that video file that we made of our lecture. So we go to New, File Upload, go and find the file that you're uploading. It won't take too long for your movie to upload. If you've sat and made a 10 or 15-minute video, the file will be quite big, but that's okay. Let it upload, and you can see that my lesson is over here. And now if I want to share that on ManageBac, it's really quite easy. First thing to do is we need to share a link of this movie. Now, a lot of times teachers get really worried because they think that this movie is now on YouTube for the entire world to see. That's not actually the case. Actually, no one can see it until you tell them that they're allowed to see it. We right-click, we go to Share, and from here we get a shareable link. That's that little button over there. We click there, and we copy this link. Now, if you have a look really carefully, it says anyone at the International School Delft with the link can view. What that effectively means is that nobody in the world can see this unless they're logged into our school's Google account. And even then, they have to have the link to see it, so they can't search for it. So it's quite secure in that way. So we've copied the link, and now what we'll do is go to ManageBac and put a link inside a task so that the students can see it. Let's press Done. Now, adding that video that's in our Google Drive into ManageBac is actually really easy. Let's make a new task. Let's make sure we've got a good name for our task. Let's make sure it goes to the correct place, put a reasonable deadline in there, making sure you've got your summative or formative. In this case, I'm not grading this because they simply have to watch a video like this. I'll put it comments only. And what we want to do here now is just put in a simple instruction. And I'll paste that link that I got from Google Drive, that shareable link that it asked me to get. And I've put that in here. Now, when I press Create Task, you will see that there is now a link to that file. If a student now goes to that task and clicks on this link, it will actually open up a video like this, and they can watch and listen to what you did in that lesson. And it's a really good way for us to get something that we really desperately want to teach them, but they're physically not in the same room. Now, there's also no reason why you can't point the webcam of your MacBook at your face and just talk to the students. I myself am much more visual. I draw lots of diagrams. I do lots of explanations on paper and the board. So I find that way is better, just so they hear my voice and look at something visual rather than see my face. But of course, it's personal choice and it depends on what your lesson is. But this is a really, really powerful way of getting a lesson to your students who are not physically in the same room as you.